Hi guys, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms. I just thought I'd hop on here and say hi and give you guys some updates. It's been a little bit, maybe a couple weeks since I've been on. And as you guys know, I've been working on my blog and some more patterns for corner to corner basically. And just wanted to show you some of those and show you what I've been working on. So to start with, I think I might have shown you this in the last video, I'm not sure. But this is my Lilac Rose. It's 20 squares by 20 squares. Would make a great pillowcase or combine it with other squares. I'm going to show you one that I'm working on that I just finished to go with it. You can make a blanket, baby blanket, whatever. You just use softer yarn for that. And I'm going to be doing some more flower squares to go with that. Each square measures about 15 by 15, I think it was. And I did this one. This one's called my Blue Flower Buds. And these were made to go together. And I'm working on another one that's going to be some pinks and maybe mauve to go with it. And then more to come from that, from there. And then I have these little coasters that I did. And these are free on my blog if you want the PDF and the charts and everything printable. You just have to subscribe to my blog. And otherwise, I have them also listed in my Etsy store, all 4 of them. But if you want to get them free, they're free on my blog with a subscription. And all I'm going to do is send you an email maybe once a month just to update you on patterns. And some more free patterns too, PDFs. So this is a geometric farmhouse style in the gray, and it's a light beige. You can do any color. These are super easy if you've never done corner to corner before. They whip up really fast. There's only 7 squares on each side, so I'd say maybe 20 minutes for each one, 15 minutes, I don't know. And then these 2 are just plain. So they're super easy. And did some more, I'm working on some more coasters. This one's also on my blog. You can get all these free on my blog, except you can't download it. They're not printables. So, but there's charts and written instructions. So, and then you guys saw my little tulip in my crazy tutorial. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that tutorial. I have other tutorials in my playlist that are probably easier to follow, to be honest with you, and also on my blog. So, and here's here's the upside down purple one. So those are free on my blog, the PDFs for the purple one. And you don't have to subscribe or anything. And this is a geometric, kind of looks like a butterfly to me. I called it my mint julep washcloth. It's kind of big, but I really like it. And I did some smaller washcloths. This one's a lemon, upside down again, whoops. These measure about 8 by 8, and they're also really quick if you've never done corner to corner and you want to do something simple. And do them in cotton if you're going to use them for a washcloth or a trivet or a pot holder, or anything that's going to handle heat. Make sure you do cotton. And it absorbs better for washcloth too. This is acrylic. I just did this as a sample. And then I'm working on another one, my strawberry. Okay, let me take these bobbins off. Sorry, I had my bobbins clipped, but you couldn't see it. So this is my strawberry, upside down again. Okay, Claudette, get with it. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Anyway, this is gonna be a strawberry when I'm done. And I did this in honor of my friend Angelia over at the Crocheting House Mouse. I know she may not want to try corner to corner. Angelia, I don't know if you want to try it or not, but I thought of you when I made it because you said your kitchen was in strawberries. So I thought, oh, I'm going to do a strawberry washcloth. So there it is. If you want to try it, all kinds of beginner tutorials are on my blog too, and it's free. Just go on there and try it, everybody, if you want. Anyway, is that it? I think that's it right now for the patterns. And then I'm also on my in my Etsy store. I did some crochet bags, tote bags. You can take them to the beach, shopping, put your crochet projects, and they're really cute. They feature my daughter's drawings One's a pig, one's a bunny, and the other one is my logo, Claudette's Charms, making the world a more charming place, or make the world a more charming place great every day. It's really cute, I think, anyway. So those are in my Etsy shop. I've also been working on some low content books for Amazon, they're called, and I'm taking some of my older designs. I used to design t-shirts and stuff, and I'm putting those into books and some of my daughter's pictures and making like journals. And I'm gonna have I have one on there for shopping, like a grocery shopping list kind of journal thing. Those are also under Claudette's Charms, and it's all new to me. I'm learning that too. So I've been doing designing. Yay, it's exciting. I'm kind of tired of shipping out personal things, and it takes so much time to make them and then ship them and the whole thing. So I'm trying to do digital stuff now. So that's what I'm doing, what I'm playing around with, and just kind of wanted to give you guys a little update, say hi, and I hope everyone's doing well and having fun crocheting and crafting and doing all the fun things that we do as people that love using our hands and sort of our brains. But anyway, that's a whole other story. So I hope everybody's doing well, and thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.